Hello everyone, welcome to Krishna Janmashtami, and I am standing in Sanganiketan Hall where they celebrate Krishna Janmashtami since 58 years. So if you see that board, this is the 58th year of Krishna Janmashtami in Sanganiketan, and they do various competitions like Krishna Vesha Spardha, that is baby Krishna. See, if you can see, there is a baby Krishna there. So they do competitions of Krishna Vesha Spardha, that is of putting dresses to babies and seeing who will be the cutest. So whoever is the cutest Krishna in the Spardha will win the competition. And also there is Krishna drawing competition. So whoever draws the most beautiful Krishna wins the prize. And there is Vastu Sodhane, that is treasure hunt, that is finding Krishna's murti inside the sand. And today is Mosaru Kudike Day. So Mosaru Kudike Day means like hitting the pot. So there will be a lot of pots on the road, and we have to do the human pyramid and climb and hit the pot. So that is very interesting today to watch. So this video is all about Mosaru Kudike, that is in Hindi it is called as Dahi Handi, that is hitting the pot and cracking it with full of curd, makhan, butter spilling all over you. So that is the day today, and I'm excited to show Mangalore's Krishna Janmashtami to all of you guys. So let us enjoy today's day. Happy Krishna Janmashtami. Now we have come to the place where many kids have drawn their paintings of Operation Sindoor. So you can see all the paintings. So whoever has drawn the best patriotic painting wins the prize, because yesterday it was Independence Day, and that's why the competition was like who will draw the best patriotic picture, they will win the prize. So this is the pictures. Sure. See, you can see the pictures here. And also there was pot painting competition. So these are the pots. So as you can see, there is one Puri Jagannath pot here. So a Puri Jagannath pot painting. I feel like this has won the first prize in all of the pot painting, and also in this I feel like this has won the prize. So they have kept it just for the viewers here. Now we have come to the Mosaru Kudike point, that is Dahi Handi area, where they have tied so many pots, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, almost 15 pots of matka. So full of butter, ghee, dahi and makhan, everything is there in that, with coins also. There is money. And also a lot of fruits. As you can see, there are a lot of fruits hanging and chips also hanging in the Mosaru Kudike area. Here in Karnataka we call it Mosaru Kudike. Mosaru means curd and Kudike means hitting the pot. And in North India they call it Dahi Handi. Dahi meaning curd, makhan, butter. So now we will see how they will form the human pyramid. So on this Krishna Janmashtami day, what happens is a lot of volunteers form a human pyramid here. And after forming the human pyramid, that is climbing on each other, the slimmest guy will go to the top point and he will hit the pot with his own bare hands, that is with his knuckles, and that matka will break, and the whole makhan, butter, curd will fall on the pyramid, on all the people, and everyone will be wet. So that is very interesting to watch. Joy! Amba Bhavani. Jai. Jai. Hello everyone, as you can see, Krishna is there only behind the human pyramid. So this is the 58th year of Krishna Janmashtami Mosaru Kudike, and as you can see, the volunteers are climbing. It's a very tough fact, that is you have to balance on your own feet, that is without the support of the hand, only with the balance of your feet. Very risky, but still the brave volunteers of Sanganiketan are climbing. They are called as Swayam Sevaka. Swayam Sevaka is self-volunteering. And after removing the fruits, they throw it to all the devotees here. almost like 6 pots are done. Still few pots remaining. So they throw the vegetables all over the place, and whoever gets the vegetables chips is like Krishna's prasad itself. And as you can see, the volunteers are full wet because of all the mosaru, that is curd, and also coins. It's very hard to break with the own knuckles, that is, the hands will pain a lot, but still they're doing it with effortlessly because of Krishna's grace. Because Krishna, when he was a child, he used to hit matkas. Similarly, all monkey behavior.